Do you own an EV charger but not sure what you need to do to maintain it? To ensure that your charging station keeps your EV running smoothly, there's a few simple things that you can do. Follow these tips to keep your EV charging stations in tip-top shape. It's easy to perform routine visual checks on your EV charging station for any damage, wear, or signs of vandalism that may need to be addressed. Damaged cables may impact charging efficiency and could create problems with usage monitoring and billing. Keeping your EV charging station clean and free of debris is important whether your stations are outside or in an indoor parking garage where it can be very dusty. Removing any dirt, dust, and debris that accumulates over time can make a big difference. If your EV charging station is in a building, it's most likely connected to a Wi-Fi network and software updates will usually happen automatically. Having a smart remotely monitored charging station will ensure that your charger is up to date and running smoothly. A non-connected charger will not have these features and may need to be exchanged down the road to keep up with the latest technology. Lastly, getting professional maintenance help for your EV chargers is a great way to ensure their safe and efficient operation. Certified technicians have the expertise to conduct thorough inspections, point out potential issues, and perform necessary repairs. Maintaining your charger means proper functionality, and a little care can go a long way. If you note issues with your EV charging station and its components when inspecting, you can reach out to a qualified EV charging installer for help. By following these simple steps, you can keep your EV charging station running smoothly into a greener future.